self-healing, minimal dependency or no dependency on drug or surgery. Yes, my friends, it's possible that we can live our life throughout life 100 years, 120 years without psychological dependency on drug and surgery. This is a spiritual principle, but we can understand it and we can live it. So there is 5 components, 5 key things of self-healing. First is energy. We have to understand our anatomy of our body. We are not only liver and heart, bone and muscles. We have energy. We have different energy centers. We have chakras, we have meridians, nadis, and we have aura. So if you can understand the energy concept and if we can work on it, self-healing is easy. For any disease, try to figure out which chakra is involved. Balance that chakra through meditation, through music therapy, through awareness, attention, through different asanas. There are many various ways to balance the chakras. For balancing the meridians, there we have many methods like acupressure, EFT. EFT works on the energy as well as on the mind. The second practical tip of self-healing is understanding mind patterns. In every disease, there is some specific mind patterns, negative patterns. All diseases are psychosomatic. If there is negativity in the mind, then only disease manifests in the body. So if we can correct our mind, we can change our mind, then healing is bound to follow. Which type of mind pattern? Like I am not sufficient, I have this disabilities, having poor self-confidence, I cannot do this. We can do anything once we make mind to for it. Training is required, acquiring skill is required, some study is required, but everything is possible by everyone. Just giving, we have to give that time. So overcoming confidence, improving love for self, thinking that people are not helping me. This is one common belief, common negative belief which hampers our health. See, in the society, every type of people are there. If you will help people, people will help you. If you will be a good people, people will be good to you. So be good to others. And obviously, we have to mingle with good people. Then good circle, if you have good circle, people will be helpful to you. So mainly it's our mind pattern which decides our physical company. So in every disease, figure out which belief pattern or thought pattern is responsible. There is connection. If we can understand the thought pattern, and in this regard, Louis Hay is a good book. Louis Hay has written a book called You Can Heal Your Life as well as Heal Your Body. Many books are there, but these 2 books are good. By reading these books, you can understand what thought pattern is responsible in which disease. Understand mind, correct the mind, and healing will follow. The third important tip in the self-healing is connecting to the nature, to the sun, to the earth and the 5 elements. Our physical body is made up of earth, water, fire, air, 5 elements. So if we spend some time in the nature, to the morning sun, to the fresh air, with the nature, with earth, these elements will stay balanced. So understanding is any imbalance of any one of the 5 elements, Sometimes it's deficiency of sun, like in the back pain or depression. For such people should go more in sun. In general, 15 to 20 minutes or up to 30 minutes daily exposure of sunlight is helpful for health. The morning sun within the 2 hour, within 2 hours of sunrise. The fourth component of self-healing is love. Love heals everything. Learn to love yourself. Learn to love your body parts, your organ. If there is pain in any of your body part, give love to it. Close your eyes, spend some time with yourself, with that body part. Give love to that organ. Listen it. When we love someone, we love to give some time with that fellow. Spend time with your body, with your organs. Listen what it is saying. You will get some intuitive messages. Body talk. Do body talk. Give love. Many pain, many suffering will go away if you will love your body. If you will listen your body. Body never lies. Just whenever you are taking bath, spend few minutes for yourself, for talking to your body parts, for talking to your body. Love your body. Cherish every body organs. It is not like that only face is important, only hairs are important, the visible part is important. Every body part is important. Love yourself, love your body. And the fifth important tip for the self-healing is understanding grace of karma. It is a spiritual concept. Whatever we do to others, we receive. So learn to help people. Learn to serve people who are underprivileged in education, in knowledge, or any types of problem in the society, in your community, among your neighbors. There will be many people who are suffering with different problems. So try to help people for their health problems, for their financial problems, for their relationship problems. Don't live life only for you. Live life for people around you. Do some research, do a study, how you can help people around you. Obviously, meditation and understanding of mind will help. Read good books, how to solve various health problems, how to solve relationship problems, how to solve finance problems. You don't have finance problem, it's okay. But if a struggler comes to you, are you able to guide him properly? So think for others, care for others. This caring for others comes under karma. And when we do good karma, when we help others, then grace of divine follows. And the highest grace follows when we teach meditation. When we empower other person, when we educate other person. If someone is hungry and if you are giving food, after few hours he will become hungry. Can you provide food every time? No. But if you educate other fellow, if you can empower other fellow, if you make them self-reliant, then that's the real help, the best help. So try to educate, try to teach meditation, try to explain the knowledge of his problem, knowledge of life, how to live a good quality life. Share your life experience. Every person have some experience of few years. Ponder upon how using those experiences you can help other people. Think in terms of helping. The more help you will do, you will earn karma points, grace. So practice these all 5 things. Reducing the stress by meditation, understanding the mind, correcting the mind pattern, changing negative mind pattern to positive one by affirmation, by EFT, by mirror work. These all things are available in the Louis Hay, books of Louis Hay, or in some other future videos. These topics will follow. Connect to the nature, be in the sun, spend some time with the fresh air, with the water bodies, with earth, Mother Earth, with plants. Love your body. Involved in the action of karma, good karma as per your dharma. Do service, help other people. If you are doing these 5 things, self-healing is quite easy, very, very easy. Reduce dependency on drug and surgery. We did not depend on drug and surgery. Better health is possible if we are indulging in the self-healing. Self-healing is the future. Self-healing is good in the long term. If you are in some remote area, if you have tools of self-healing, you can manage things. If you know how to work on the energy, you can help yourself or someone others. I am bringing more videos for self-healing, how to work on the energy and meridians. It is possible to manage minor ailments easily and even major ailments with some profound knowledge of energy, of chakras, of meridian to heal themselves. Give some time to study, to watch other videos on this PMC English channel. Educate yourself, empower yourself, and lead healthy life. Thank you for watching.